Hi guys, this is day number 333 of my 365 livestream challenge. Today I will go back to our ERP HowTo series, livestream series, and you can see on my screen I see that I have the diagram of all 4 stages of our ERP implementation project process. So we are right now on the onboarding step, third stage of our 4-stage ERP process, and today we are closing this onboarding stage by reviewing how we do production setup. Production setup is basically putting our software system where that employees will be using into production final environment. So for that we usually need to set up the database, file storages, one or more database replicas, one or more servers, and connect it all together under one domain. For simple, smaller companies, we might install it on DigitalOcean or Amazon AWS services, hosting providers. For bigger companies, usually they have their own VPN, virtual private network, and in that case they will provide us with their servers, one or more servers, so we can put it all together using our infrastructure and scripts. And usually we don't set it up from scratch. It requires, the biggest step here is to do the same as we do for data migration, to migrate data on final server one more time, do the testing, and set up all the integrations with the old system if we have that old system still playing a role in the new setup. So we have that kind of bridge integration. We need to set it up and test it before we let employees use the production software, production system. And also we usually don't set it up from scratch. Most of our tasks are done using our project boilerplate. We're using cookie cutter templating to have and support our own production infrastructure, production development infrastructure. We're using Docker for that, and a couple more things. Here you can see that we have documentation, how we set it all up, all the permissions, all the processes, all automated. We just start one script and it all sets it up for us, the production software, in 1 or 2 hours. But of course the overall setup depends on the complexity of the project. Sometimes it might take just 2 days, other times 2 weeks or more, just the production software, production system setup. So depending on the project size and complexity. There are a lot of things to discuss and to show you here, but this is rather complex and will require a couple hours of walkthrough. So this is all I can do within 3 minutes of live stream. If you have any question regarding this setup, how our project template works, and if you want to learn more about our software production system setup, please comment below this live stream video. I will reply to every comment. Thank you for watching.